How to join Discord servers on mobile. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to join Discord servers on mobile. It's actually pretty simple, so make sure to watch this video until the very end. Now hop into your Discord application. Then tap on Servers here. Now you can tap on the plus icon at the left side. Then at the bottom, it says Join Server, so tap on that. As you can see, it gives me an invite link. But it is not necessary to know the link here, you can just make one up. So I will just create one in here. And once done, tap on Join with Invite Link. Now I can choose to accept invite to directly join here. And there is another way to join Discord servers, just go and open up a web browser. Then just search for Discord Discover. Now, tap the first link here. This will then show us a bunch of servers. You can then search for various communities. So in here, search for basketball. As you can see, there are a lot of servers here. If you are interested in one of here, just tap on it. Then tap Join Server. And you can tap Accept Invite to directly join this server. You can then go through this process of joining the server. And that's it. I hope this video helps you. See you on my next video.